guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network, and today we're looking at this LS3 swapped 2015 Tesla Model S. But before we walk through it real fast, first a quick word from our sponsor.
Today's AutoHunter Cinema video is brought to you by Land Air Sea. Keep tabs on all your valuable assets from the palm of your hand. Remember, with Land Air Sea, theft is temporary. Visit landairSea.com or call 847-462-8100 to order your Land Air Sea GPS unit for your classic vehicle.
Okay, so today I'm standing in front of a LS3 swapped 2015 Tesla Model S, which was built by Rich Rebuilds and powered by a Magnuson Supercharger on here. So this is actually a stroked out LS3, so that's been modified, and it has the Magnuson Supercharger on top in front of what would normally be cargo space in a Tesla. Now sits a mighty V8. And you can see there was some suspension things and stuff redone. We now have some Weld wheels on the side. The car has been wrapped in a gorgeous brown. One of the cool parts though is going to be looking at some of the components that are in the car that had to be added for an internal combustion engine. On the inside, we have a super cool shifter that is obviously a sequential shifter that's been added to shift the car, perfect for drag racing and that type of thing. And then coming to the back here, we have some more Weld wheels that are also intended to be obviously used for drag racing and could probably be swapped for slicks, but right now we've got some Michelins on there. One of the questions that are interesting about this vehicle is a lot of the laws for engine swaps and things actually pertain to the engine you swap into a car in order to remain legal must be the same year or newer than the car you're swapping it into. So that's kind of an interesting thing with this one to see that LS3 getting swapped into a Tesla. But let's come around to the back here. And this is really cool because in here, where of course we would have had some trunk space, is now a fuel cell accompanied by the battery, of course, that you would have needed. So gone would be all the heavy batteries that you typically find in the Tesla for the power pack. And then we have a fuel cell along with this awesome battery in here. This is a really cool build. It's really fun. We all knew this was coming at some point where somebody was going to engine swap a Tesla with an internal combustion engine. But this is really cool. I really appreciate this build, and I'd be curious to see what it runs at the drag strip. But you can find it at Rich Rebuild's YouTube channel if you want to see the build, which is pretty cool. But that's going to be just a quick look at this. If you guys like that video, go ahead and smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it, and get subscribed as we release videos like this regularly. Thank you so much for watching.